Hello and welcome. As we embark on this journey through managed isolation, for 14 days we will follow the Jordanis isolationist as he travels from Melbourne to Auckland. But first, he must embark on what is called a domestic flight to the capital of New Zealand, Wellington. Unexpected to the Jordanis, he must do his managed isolation here. Often, when the Jordanis travels, he is a social creature, seen here exploring the world the way he wants to. But not this time. This time, he must do it alone. No pool, gym, meeting rooms, and definitely the food not looking like this. He must spend his time in his room. This one. It is Saturday night, and the Jordanis has ordered 2 beers to his room, from which he is allowed 4 a day. Sniffing the beer, he tries to identify that is the correct one he ordered. As he sits down on his bed, he takes the first sip. And while the Jordanis is in the bathroom, I have come to investigate what really makes this creature tick. Which leads me to this beautiful, essential item. Now it may seem like a black and white reptile. In fact, it is used at this end to plug into electronic devices, to charge them and to entertain him during isolation. Remarkable. Another device is what he calls a boom. It amplifies audio waves through the entire room, so he can listen to music or podcasts as he goes through. Jordanis is very fond of the boom. And of course, the Stein Lager, a beer-like substance that the creature indulges in, particularly on the weekends. Oh, it is beer. Remarkable. You will see creature comforts of home. But as Wellington descends into night, the Jordanis embarks on the next step of his journey. Now, in the usual hotel stay, most people would get 1 or 2 bottles of lotion to cleanse their bodies. In the isolation period, guests, like the Jordanis, who is currently in the bathroom, gets multiple for his stay. Fascinating. Not only that, but caffeinated drinks and masks for exercise. The Jordanis must celebrate the small things, like throwing paper in a basket. This could possibly be the most thrilling event of his day. But for 7 more days, he is very much alone, until he is released into the wild to enjoy the blessings of Aotearoa, New Zealand, to be with his loved ones, to enjoy the activities, and to perhaps meet a mate. Until then, Jordanis' isolation is on his own.